Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Mortal Kombat XL game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the store page. Now just tap on the search box and then type in Mortal Kombat XL and begin your search. Once you find the game, just click on it, which will then take you into the game page. You may need to provide your date of birth. Now, from within the game page, you can explore the various packages that are included. And inside of each package, you can watch the trailer and check the reviews as well. Once you are ready to purchase the game, tap on the Add to Cart button underneath, and then you can tap on View My Cart. Now, from here, tap on the Continue to Payment button, and then choose your payment method. After choosing your method, tap on Continue once again. And now you simply need to provide the credentials for the payment to be made. If you have chosen PayPal, for instance, then just log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once your payment has completed, the game will then be added to your library, and you can finish the download and installation with just a few clicks. And now, you can start enjoying the Mortal Kombat XL game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.